Here's our girl Minnie getting catnip on the paperwork. Yep, she just came in from outside. She's funny. She sits at the other door, the main front door, and she just sits there, and I had to come out this side door here and tell her, come on, let's go to this door. That door's not open. So she follows me, and in we come. And here she is. Yeah, with your catnip. Right? I know there's the bag. Don't chew the bag. That's the bag of catnip. I brought it out for you. Yeah. Don't swat it with your tail either. It's going to go everywhere, and then your parents have to vacuum, and then that's a problem because I made a mess. Yep. And Mo put himself in his room tonight. Believe it or not. He walked in and said, okay, lady, I'm not even going to fight you. I'm done. Right, Mo? Because you're the man. And he's all blocked out. Yep. There's his Shawshank abilities is finished. There goes the gremlin. There we go. Want to go check on Sassy Frassy? Shall we go check on Sassy Frassy? I'm going to bring this with me because I don't want you eating it. Have the stuff that I put on here, honey. Look. Look at all that. Oh, there it is. Whoop. There it is. Yeah. You want the bag. You really can't have the bag. That's overindulgence. Yeah, we have to eat catnip responsibly. Yes, that's important. Let's go down the hall and see if we can find your sister. Everybody got their dinner. Mo ate most of everybody's because he's a hungry dude. Oh yeah, he ate out of this bowl. He ate out of the bowl that I have for Minnie, and there's our girl. Hi, sweet Sassy Frassy. What are you doing? We're back on the bed again? Oh, lady, please. Yeah? Did you? Oh! Looks like you played in your catnip, too. Yeah. She had oh, sweetie. Hi. Is everything okay? Yeah, your parents will be home tomorrow, and then you can go outside. I know. Look how pretty you are. Oh, my goodness. Hi, baby. Oh, look at you. Hi, honey girl. You're so soft and fluffy. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to send this. Say bye, Mom and Dad. We miss you. Yeah. Sassy. Oh. Sweet Sassy Frassy. You're going to... Look at the face. Love the face. Sassy girl. Okay. Oop. You gonna just settle in? What you doing, Sass? Hi. Your tail's in the air. That means happy kitty. You say hi to Mom and Dad? You say hi, Mom and Dad? Yeah. Okay, I'll shut this now. Oh, that's how we end.